Hi everyone in the world, Yahoo minna, Mochi sensei desu. It's kanji time. I've posted several videos related to kanji so far. Are you all studying? Kanji can be challenging, but it's also essential when learning Japanese. Especially when reading, having kanji makes things much easier. For example, take a look at this sentence. Which one would you read? 今日は苦情が会社に来た. Or you can also read it like this. 脅迫状が会社に来た. With hiragana alone, it's unclear which meanings is intended. So you understand how important kanji is. Also, kanji makes it easier to make a difference of words with same pronunciation but different meanings. So, learning kanji can offer several benefits. Number 1. Improved communication. Kanji is an essential part of reading Japanese. Learning kanji allows you to read and understand a wider range of texts, including newspapers, books, websites, which can enhance your ability to communicate effectively in Japanese. Just by understanding kanji, when you come to Japan for a trip, you can read signs, menus, transportation systems, and warning notices such like "Don't touch this." これを触らないでください. Your experience in Japan will be significantly different between being able to read kanji and not being able to. Number 2. Enhanced vocabulary. Kanji character can have multiple readings and meanings, which can expand your Japanese vocabulary. This can be particularly helpful when learning specialized or technical terminology. And again, kanji can be challenging due to multiple readings, but even if you encounter kanji you can't read, if you understand its meaning, you can somewhat grasp the meaning of the word. For example, many people know this kanji, right? 食べる to eat. Let's check this word. To have a meal. Do you guys know how to read this? It is read as 食事. And even though you don't know how to read this kanji, you will understand it by kanji. It's something about to eat. For those of you who couldn't read it just now, don't worry. Now you learn that this kanji can read as 食 too. And now I will share recommended methods to study kanji. I've introduced them for several times on this channel, and this app has a lot of fans, right? When it comes to studying kanji, this app is definitely top recommendation. It's MochiKanji App. This is an app using spaced repetition. It's easy to forget kanji without reading spaced repetition. And let's have a look at the forgetting curve here. The golden time feature is based on the spaced repetition system. This shows how our retention of knowledge weakens over time without reviewing. Spaced repetition is research proving the most powerful technique for strengthening your memory. Spaced repetition method asks you to revise kanji and vocabulary at systematic intervals. By using this method and based on your learning history, Mochi will calculate the best time for you to review your kanji and vocabulary, which is called golden time. So, you just need to learn 3 to 4 lessons in Mochi, then wait for the Mochi notification to review every day. This is how Mochi helps you memorize 1,000 kanji and vocabulary in just 1 month. MochiKanji App is a Japanese learning app that uses spaced repetition system, helps memorize kanji and vocabulary fast and effectively with golden time. MochiKanji App will notify your golden time, so no need to worry even though you are bad at continuing studying. You have experienced such like you learned a new word but then 3 days later, you don't remember anything, right? Spaced repetition studying method will solve all of these problems. Mochi divides your learned kanji and vocabulary into 5 levels of memorization from level 1, which is just learned or have not memorized, to level 5, memorized well. You also can see your learned words follow these levels in your notebook. Mochi covers all Japanese courses for every individual's needs. If you want to learn Japanese to speak or just for fun, I recommend the Basic Conversation course. Or if you learn Japanese to take the JLPT, Mochi also provides all courses from N5 to N2 or Basic Kanji. In each course, you will see many small lessons and it just takes you 5 to 10 minutes to finish one lesson. Let's learn N5 kanji.
私
The meaning is I or me. Choose the correct answer. And how do you read it again? 私.
私
Let's check next kanji.
あの人
The meaning is that person. Choose the correct answer. And the reading again. あの人. During revision time, you will have to do small quizzes about your learned vocabulary. If you pass those quizzes, your vocabulary will be leveled up. On the other hand, if you fail to remember a particular word, that word will be pushed down to level 1 and you will have to live with it again in the next revision time. There are 5 levels in total. Words at lower levels will have more revision scheduled than those at higher levels. Tips: It's best that you be diligent and level up your words. The more words at level 5, the better. And I think everyone already know that you need to study every day to learn new things. It's not only about Japanese, like guitar, piano, tennis, any other sport. You have to continue practicing, right? But many people are struggling to continue every day. And I'm that kind of person. I always have excuses like I'm tired or I'm busy, I don't have time. But once you set the goal and limit time to achieve that goal, you will notice that there's no time for excuses. All you need to do is just do it. And for those who have a weak will and are not good at continuing, it's time to study using spaced repetition. There's a wonderful app like this. It will notify you. I think there's no way not to use this. So please give it a try. To download Mochi, go to the App Store or Google Play. Type Mochi, choose Mochi Learn Kanji, then click download. Mochi also is available on the website.
Mochi.
Make sure to make a solid daily schedule and commit to studying kanji. Use Mochi app and let's learn 1,000 kanji characters in a month. You might think that learning 1,000 is impossible, but there are people who have done it. If someone else can do it, that means you can too. Benefits number 3. Increased job opportunities. If you plan to work in Japan or for a Japanese company, proficiency in kanji can be a valuable skill as many job positions may require it. When working in Japan, it's natural to expect a certain level of Japanese. In fact, many companies uses JLPT or BJT as a criterion for recruitment. Having JLPT N1, which is considered to native level Japanese, opens up opportunities in many companies. Even with JLPT N2, which is considered business level Japanese, you may find many jobs in Japan. Let's explore what kind of jobs you could pursue if your Japanese proficiency were at an N2 level, for example. Major general contractor, data center, hotel customer service, caregiver job, restaurant job, and interpretation service. There are more and more jobs you can find on the website. To reach this level, mastering kanji is of course necessary. For those aspiring to work in Japan, let's put in a lot of effort. Japanese Joyo kanji, which means common use kanji, is over 2,000 characters. It requires dedication and practice. To efficiently learn kanji, it is highly recommended to use tools like mobile app like MochiKanji App that can be used during spare moments in addition to textbooks. So today I share you guys the benefits of learning kanji. If you're a Japanese beginner, like learning 1,000 kanji in a month might sound really difficult. But if you're an advanced level Japanese learner, you guys already know how important kanji is, right? It's almost impossible to read only hiragana sentence. It's really hard to read. And kanji really makes it much easier. So, 頑張ってください and thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and push like button and please leave the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye! またね